kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the cleaning tools, equipment, and materials. In this lesson, you will be able to explain the different cleaning tools, equipment, and materials needed in taking care of the house. Are you ready? Taking care of the house means keeping the house clean and orderly. Housekeeping is an activity that makes the house comfortable and safe to stay and live at, not only for the members of the family, but also for the visitors. In making the house clean and orderly, you will need the necessary cleaning tools, equipment, and other materials. And these are some of the common resources needed in housekeeping. Cleaning tools, equipment, and materials. Cleaning equipment. Vacuum cleaner. It is used to remove dust particles which have accumulated on the furniture and fixture. Floor polisher. It is used to scrub, strip, and polish the floor. Carpet sweeper. It is used to remove dust particles from the carpet surfaces. Cleaning tools. Toilet bowl brush. It is used to clean and scrub the toilet bowl. Hand brush. It is used to remove dusts or residues which have accumulated in rough surfaces. Mop. It is used to manually dry or polish the floor. Window squeegee. It is used to remove the excess water and to speed up the drying process of wet windows. Ceiling broom. It is used to remove the cobwebs accumulated on the ceiling. Tongs. It is used to pick the dirty things or trash. Soft broom. It is used to sweep smooth surfaces like floor and tiles. Stick broom. It is used to sweep rough surfaces like the ground in your garden. Feather duster. It is used to remove the dust and cobwebs which have accumulated on the displays, appliances, furniture, and fixtures. Cleaning materials. Scouring pad. It is used for painted surfaces, mirrors, and glass panels. Dusting cloth. It is used for dusting wooden and painted surfaces. Cleaning towel. It is used for drying the bathroom walls, floor tiles, and wooden surfaces after wiping them with wet cloth. Oiler. It is used to get rid of the annoying sounds of hinges. Trash bag. It is a cleaning supply used as an underliner for the trash to prevent leaks brought by wet trashes. Wood polish. It is a cleaning chemical used to polish wood and leather surfaces. Insecticide. It is a cleaning chemical used to kill or get rid of mosquitoes, insects, and pests. Air freshener. It is a cleaning chemical used to remove foul odor. Muriatic acid. It is a cleaning chemical used to clean the toilet bowls, urinals, and lavatories. Once again, these are the cleaning tools, equipment, and materials. Cleaning equipment, vacuum cleaner, floor polisher, and carpet sweeper. Cleaning tools, toilet bowl brush, hand brush, mop, window squeegee, ceiling broom, tongs, soft broom, stick broom, and feather duster. Cleaning materials, scouring pad, dusting cloth, cleaning towel, oiler, trash bag, wood polish, insecticide, air freshener, and muriatic acid. Please watch out for the second part of our video lesson on taking care of the house. We're going to talk about the safety precautions when using cleaning tools, equipment, and other materials, housekeeping activities, and the guidelines in cleaning the house. See you! Choose the correct answer that corresponds to the statement. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. It removes loose dust particles which have accumulated on the furniture and fixture. A. Stick broom. B. Floor polisher. C. Carpet sweeper. D. Vacuum cleaner. The answer is D. Vacuum cleaner. It removes foul odor. A. Air freshener. B. Insecticide. C. Muriatic acid. D. Oiler. It's letter A. Air freshener. It serves as underliner for trash cans. A. Cleaning towel. B. Dusting cloth. C. Scouring pad. D. Trash bag. It's trash bag, letter D. It removes cobwebs in the ceiling. A. Map. B. Soft broom. C. Stick broom. D. Ceiling broom. It's letter D. Ceiling broom. It removes loose particles from the carpet surfaces. A. Stick broom. B. Floor polisher. C. Carpet sweeper. D. Vacuum cleaner. The answer is letter C. Carpet sweeper. It kills insects and pests. A. Air freshener. B. Insecticide. C. Muriatic acid. D. Oiler. The answer is letter B. Insecticide. It polishes wooden floor. A. Oiler. B. Dusting cloth. C. Cleaning towel. D. Wood polish. The answer is letter D. Wood polish. It disinfects toilet bowls, urinals, sinks, and other areas that are vulnerable to contamination. A. Air freshener. B. Insecticide. C. Muriatic acid. D. Oiler. And the answer is letter C. Muriatic acid. It removes annoying sounds produced by hinges. A. Air freshener. B. Insecticide. C. Muriatic acid. D. Oiler. The answer is D. Oiler. It removes trash on the ground with rough surface. A. Stick broom. B. Floor polisher. C. Carpet sweeper. D. Vacuum cleaner. It's letter A. Stick broom. It is used to clean and scrub the toilet bowl. A. Mop. B. Hand brush. C. Toilet bowl brush. D. Window squeegee. And it's letter C. Toilet bowl brush. It is used to pick up the dirty things or trash. A. Mop. B. Tongs. C. Cleaning towel. D. Scouring pad. And it's letter B. Tongs. Identify the cleaning tools, equipment, and materials. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer on your notebook. Tongs. Hand brush. Vacuum cleaner. Toilet bowl brush. Mop. Carpet sweeper. Floor polisher. Ceiling broom. Window squeegee. Stick broom. Oiler. Trash bag. Soft broom. Feather duster. Muriatic acid. Dusting cloth. Insecticide. Air freshener. Scouring pad. Wood polish. Cleaning towel.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.